anything but hey, le ba Limpopo ba shapiwa no. House abuisi Zulu abet. But let's ask a question. After you marched and say you don't want Zimbabweans, you don't want Nigerians, you don't want Ghanaians, you close shops, you march. Why are you not coming back to tell us the following day that after that march, we expelled 10 Zimbabweans, and out of those 10 Zimbabweans, we're able to give 10 South Africans jobs? There is no such a report. Why? Because now Kuba ma Zimbabwe, hauna misebetsi, batho bale ba ma Zimbabwe, ba etsa misebetsi e lona le sa batleng ho e etsa because those are slaves' jobs. They don't pay anything. You want proper jobs. You want a job with a pay slip, with an appointment letter, with pension, with medical aid, and you deserve it. But why are we fighting each other? It is the same people who made us fight each other during apartheid, black on black violence. They sponsored it. The same provinces where blacks were killing blacks during apartheid, sponsored by apartheid government, is the same provinces where blacks are beating blacks today. The script is the same. The right of the script is the same. Why do you ask me? Onkupa orna, koncha ngwana, ko skolong ka is not South African. Ke monche ko skolong, ke fetche ke shebe waka, ke be proud father. After removing a black child from school, when the black children were removed from school with bullets in 1976, when our parents were removed from school because they did not have school fees, I must play that role. Me, I will never do it. I'm not going to take a pregnant woman out of a clinic because she's not South African. She gives birth of an African child at the gate, and that child dies. And you want me to do that and be proud and look at my children and say, I'm a proud father after I stopped life, after I killed someone? I will not do that. I did not join politics to be voted for. I was too young when I joined politics. These positions that I have came as a result of my participation. I am not in politics to be elected. I'm in politics to articulate a position of African people who have been oppressed for too long. We are not saying any Zimbabwean, Nigerian, Ghanaian must bring crime here. The same way no South African must bring crime here. Anyone who brings drugs, South African or Nigerian, must be dealt with according to the laws of South Africa. Not mob justice. Lena le west, ba northwest. Le tshwana le rena ko Limpopo. Ha ba qeta ka ma Zimbabwe, you must know we are next. Because bo butchisha re ntwe ke eng ka seZulu ye. Just talk about hack. So you must stop it before it comes to you. Remember, Raba Limpopo were even too dark. They are just going to look at us and say, well, now we don't even have to ask you anything. Before it comes to us, let's stop it there and say, let's deal with illegal immigration through the laws of this country. The Minister of Home Affairs is a DA minister, but they never match to the Minister of Home Affairs, who is responsible for illegal immigrants. Why? They are scared of white people. Look at them. When they speak to a white person, they are very respectful. They show manners. When they speak to a black person, they are violent. When is that march going to Cape Town? Because a lot of illegal immigrants, white immigrants, are in Cape Town. Let's see them going to Cape Town and asking whites to produce their IDs. The same way here in Northwest, a lot of whites say they own land. If you ask them to produce a title deed, they don't have. They gave each other the land early 90s when they saw that democracy was coming. So many white people are here in South Africa, illegal labor. They must be treated the same way we treat others. But now they are even worse. They've got our land. How na le fast? Narula economic freedom. O shapa le Zimbabwe, le Maya, you remain landless. How na le Zimbabwe le nang le lefatshe? Lefatshe le ka mara matso a makgowa. How na le Zimbabwe le nang le factory, le nang le mine, le nang le bank. You are fighting over useless things. They are distracting you so that you focus on each other while they are stealing our minerals, while they are stealing our land. Fukataki. This is the time you must be more awake. They are distracting you. They say foreigners have taken jobs from you. Go for them. You go there. They take everything. That's what they did during apartheid. When we were supposed to get our freedom, they started a fight between ANC and IFP. Instead of concentrating on fighting for freedom, we got distracted and killed each other. Who took the weapons to KZN? It was apartheid soldiers. Bought lot of ammunition, took it to KZN. That's why till today, there are a lot of illegal guns in KZN. Those guns were delivered by the apartheid government, arming blacks to fight one another. Today, they don't give you guns. They put in your mind wrong ideas for you to hate each other, concentrate on one another, while they continue to benefit the minerals of our world. We need to focus, comrades. Not because I killed anyone. They want to take me to jail for 5 years because they don't want me. Why? Why do they want to take me away? They want to take me away because they are scared of the truth. They don't want the truth. I will talk the truth here. I'll talk the truth in jail. I'll talk the truth in my grave. No one can ever kill my ideas. My ideas are out there. No one can ever arrest my ideas. My ideas are out there. No white woman can determine my destination. I've got an appointment with the future, and that future is the revolution to liberate the children of Africa. You must not be scared, comrades. You must never allow them to use me to intimidate you. No one must use my name to intimidate you. Continue to fight for the truth. Continue to tell the truth. Do not be shaken by my sentencing, because that's what they want. They want you to be shaken. I'm not shaken. If I was not married with children, I was not going to appeal it. I was going to go there and come back. But as a responsible family man, I might be strong. My wife might not be strong. My children might not be strong. And my jail can destroy them. For them, I shall appeal it until I get my freedom, so that my family is in a better position. Fighters, the system is against us. We need to rise now. We need to take over power and change the system. The only way you can do that is to make sure that in your VT, there is a VT coordinator who registers the voters, because you cannot win election fella. Ye campaign them for registration. The rest they don't. Why? Because they've been winning ka voters roll yela ya khale. So why would you change the voters roll that made you win elections? So abayi batli nto ya registration, ba batla the old voters roll. We must put new people in the old voters roll. Harisa tlo vote ka voters roll ya ANC. Harisa vote ka voters roll ya DA. Vote ka voters roll ya EFF. We need to register people to vote. Ha le tsama mo le nka mo le tsana mo taxing le walka le tsang. You must check one another. Oremun, yeah, here's my ID number. Punch it and check if I'm registered. And a luanam pay how. Kebonor or registered na. Has registered umuchor piwena. We're in this trouble because of you. Overekalama Buru, Overekalama ANC, Overekali the apartheid collaborators who want to see us back to apartheid. We don't want that. How ka kopana le motho fela apere skipa sa EFF? Matamela or skipa ke a se bona ke ne ke re ID. Re bona or skipa seo se apereng o se aparetseng. Ha ona ntho a mahala. Register o kre skipa. Register o kene taxi o kene busing. Ha ona ntho a mahala. A ro kope tšhelete. Ro kopa or be responsible. Then you can associate with us. We do not associate with irresponsible people. We do not associate with people who see what's happening in this country and they don't take responsibility to correct the wrongs that are happening in this country. It is your duty as leaders of sub-region, leaders of branches, volunteers of the EFF to engage in mass registration. Every high school must have a coordinator. Every TVET must have a coordinator. Every university must have a coordinator. Every mine must have a coordinator. Every factory must have a coordinator. Everywhere where many people are found, there must be someone there who's deployed to do the work of the EFF. The talk is no longer relevant now. Now the cross must talk for us. We've been speaking in Parliament. We've been fighting in Parliament. But Parliament is not enough. We need government. There is a difference between government and Parliament. So we need government to change the living conditions of all of you. You know the other fight that we are fighting now, it's a fight where professional bodies, once you graduate and you get admitted as an attorney, the professional bodies want you to pay annual fee. But you graduated, you are an attorney, you are unemployed. Where are you going to get that professional fee? We don't want unemployed people to pay professional bodies professional fee. Unless those professional bodies develop a database of unemployed professionals, they must go look for jobs for them and then demand professional fee from them because you have given them jobs. So you can't say unemployed person must pay a professional fee. Where are they getting this money? They got a certificate, but they are not working. And you're saying to them, pay us. Pay you with what? And you know, even reactionaries who are supporting that unemployed people must pay these professional bodies, professional fees, are now saying we agree with the EFF. We must not pay professional fees. EFF, kingondo. Mo EFF wa sebetswa. Mo EFF wana no. Today, how kebe is kabaka EFF? No tlo ya ko shopo. Wa ra reka wa kra ko receipting ya hao ba re VAT 17%. Ra stop arena give 15% till today and against the ANC. Where we govern, not a single MMC of the EFF was ever accused of corruption. No single MMC of the EFF was ever arrested. Today, they are desperately looking for us at Madlanga Commission. They try all types of things. Hey, you will never find us. We are not at Madlanga Commission. We are at Marikana. Catch us if you can. You cannot find us where there is corruption. That Chuckleson is desperately looking for EFF, and for sure, even in the computers, when they take the SMSs and WhatsApps of people, they type EFF so that it can come up. That's why EFF came up in one SMS, but they spoke about it for more than 10 days. Go and ask how much was that 10 days where you were desperately wanting to put the EFF in corruption that is non-existent. We fight corruption everywhere. We fight for the unemployed. We fight for the insourcing. We've put a bill in Parliament where we said everybody must be insourced who works in government. Cleaner, security guards, whatever. As long as you are in those buildings of government, working for a private company, we're saying to government, terminate that contract of that company, hire those people directly because they've got a skill and they must have the benefits. We have insourced the security guards. They were earning 7,500. Today, they earn more than 11,000 with medical aid, with pension fund. A lot of our parents here in Northwest used to go and work in Joburg for years and years as security guards. When they come back, they have nothing to show. And Reno, una yake basadi ko Johannesburg. Hana sa yake basadi. Na jake makhuwa ba mujamatso. Ba jamatso abontata ba rona ha ba bua ba tshentshana ka yena so. Ba re ha isale company ela, it's a new company. Ha isale company Hantatau art fetcha ya pension. Hana pension fund. And then they make your father to look like he's a fool. Your father is not a fool. He's an exploited worker. And the EFF is going to stop that exploitation through the insourcing bill. And let me tell you, superior logic. Ramaphosa le mutlwile ko parlamenting. I asked him, do you agree with insourcing? I agree fully. Fully. So ura repeal yo passa unopposed. Marababa maburu ba ilo opposer because ke bona ba benefita. But ourselves with ANC, MK and other small parties come together to pass insourcing bill. We will defeat the DA. We will defeat capitalism. We will restore dignity on the shoulders of the working class. Fighters, we must make sure that everywhere we go, we represent very well the working class. If you are a councillor, you keep quiet in a municipality during council, you are part of the problem. How do you keep quiet? There is no black area here without a problem. Now problems have even gone to white people's areas. When you are a councillor, you go into a council and you keep quiet. Where do you live? Where do you live? Because we sent you there to go and represent us. But don't worry, fighters. That is going to change. From today, nominations of councillors are open in the EFF. Each branch must nominate their own councillor of your choice. No leader is going to dictate to you who's going to be a candidate in your ward. Any leader who does that, report that leader to SG. The process starts today. It's going to end at the end of the month. We are preparing for war. Please, Don't accept to be a counselor, even if you know you won't win. Kur wakitiba wena. Hore har ka ka mola voting station. Ele wena, le mosadi.
This is the current situation we are having in our country muri Zimbabwe. Munyika medu hamuna kugadzikana. Isusu sekuruka Jones Media tiri kupa kutsvagira inyaya tinouya nenyaya semawanira tinenge tadziita atiwedzere kana kutapudza. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share. I am signing out.